First introduce yourself in short to both of your teachers.
Myself Aman Kumar. I am studying 10th standard in Vigyanand Kendriya Vidyalaya and my hobby is to playing cricket.
Okay, just which chapter you have failed from both books? That chapter should be in this book because it is really has a power to change and completely internally and do something. In which chapter from your both books that has power?
Can you repeat, sir?
Yes, I am asking in which chapter from your both book has such a power to completely collapse the thinking and take a place to the place and a very powerful chapter.
Sir, question is that according to which chapter education played an important role to change the life of the person?
Yes, very powerful chapter. I think that chapter should be in that.
I think so, Boli.
Yes.
Holy. Okay, very good. Holy. Of course, I just love the very chapter. And holy. And why just holy was Sulekha? But at the end of in the between, she became holy. But again, we have seen that she became again Sulekha.
Sulekha.
Why that?
Initially, there are a series of unfortunate events with Boli that make him Sulekha that make him Boli. But at the end of the chapter, we see that the education transformed the personality of the Boli, and that make him tough, bold, that who have the capability to transform, to take their own decision and change the world. So, in the end of the chapter, the poet described that he created as a masterpiece, Boli, as a Sulekha again in the last part of the chapter.
Who was the king in the chapter, the book that saved the world?
Who was the think tank?
The think tank. And who was the assistant of that think tank?
Wait, sir, dominant. Apprentice Noodle.
Wait, thank you. Now just I'm asking one last question. After that you will ask. Who is the writer of Amanda?
The writer of
Poet
Amanda.
of Amanda, sorry.
Writer of Amanda.
Poet of Amanda, yes.
Kevin. Sorry, sir, I am not
Okay,
recalling.
sir.
In chapter 14, there was a bargain between December and Ram.
Yes, sir.
Bargain was done from both sides.
Yes, sir.
What was the bargain?
The main what was the issue of bargaining.
Yes.
That because the Bisambanath, when the Bisambanath see the pock marks on the Boli, he demanded dowry from it too. Therefore, this is the topic of the bargaining.
What was the bargain from Ramlal side?
Ramlal told to Bisambanath to get less amount than the 2000.
This was not the bargain. He was just thinking that Boli will get married. She is tougher, ugly. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Did well. Yes, done well. Next. Just put this. Funny joke. Not in. Short scholar.
What is your name, dear?
My name is Anish Kumar, I reading class.
Anish Kumar. Anish, introduce yourself in short.
My name is Anish Kumar, reading class 10th from school Vigyanand Kendriya Vidyalaya.
Okay, Anish, just say in which chapter from your both books you are comfortable that we can ask some question from there.
The Thieves and a Story.
The Thief's story. Who is the writer of this chapter?
Ruskin Bond.
Who are the characters in the chapter?
He is achieving something.
No sir.
Go on.
Yes sir.
Who are characters in the chapter?
In this chapter there are two characters named Hari Singh and Anil.
Hari Singh Anil. And what is just role of Anil in the chapter?
Anil's role Anil is a writer and he is very innocent to
Anil is a writer. Next.
and Anil says sorry sir.
Okay, no problem. Have you read anything about the necklace?
No.
No. Any about the sermon at Banaras?
Okay sir.
Sermon at Banaras?
No sir.
Can you tell what is the meaning of sermon?
No idea sir.
Okay, sir.
Stay. For what Have you studied related to God?
Yes, sir.
For what reason Lencho had to write related to God?
Because Lencho crops were destroyed with in
Hellstone.
hailstone, and these regions have the Lencho. Sorry, sir.
Why did he call bunch of crooks to the post office workers?
Bunch of.
Crooks.
Yes, sir.
You may go. Options. Civil engineer caller. No, spoke only caller में कुछ नहीं। Yes, start.
तुम विराट कैसे बोल
चलो बोलो।
So what is your name? My name is Ankit Kumar Yadav. Ankit, you introduce yourself in some language. Tell something about yourself.
What's your name? In which class do you read? Yes, these things. What's your name?
My name is
Ankit Kumar Yadav. Who is your class teacher?
The class teacher name is Ganesh sir.
Yeah, Mr. Ganesh sir. Yes. Have you studied any poem?
My study poem is Rohit Bholke.
Okay, you may go.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Put it. Pin this mic in your collar first. Shirt collar. Not collar. Not pocket. Collar.
What is your name, PA?
My name is Ayush Kumar. I read in class 10th of Bigyan Kendra Vidyalaya, which is situated in Chanur Siwan. And
I'm asking one question from Ganesh sir. Ram said to me, what is your name? Change into indirect speech. Ram said to me, what is your name? Change this sentence into indirect speech. Okay, I will see no problem. Now just say in which chapter from your both books you are more comfortable.
sir, Lencho, a letter to God.
A letter to God. Why? Because it is the first chapter, it's not last chapter. I think you have read recently last chapter, just like the proposal, the book, and the second. These are the last chapters.
Yes, sir.
So why are you more comfortable in the first chapter this book?
Sir, I read this chapter too much.
Okay, very carefully you have
Yes, sir.
read, and I can
Very
say
carefully
others
I
have not
read.
read carefully.
Yes,
Can I say?
No, sir.
That
That's
is
it.
not okay. And why the Lencho says a bunch of crook, and to whom he said?
He say a bunch of crook to post office employee because he think that the post office employee took the money that sent from God for him.
Is it a good idea to believe on God as a blind eye, just what way he did? Is it a good idea?
Yes, sir.
Is it a good idea what way Lencho believed on God, faith on God? This is a good idea according to you?
Sir, according to me, this is good idea for
Okay.
to.
Sir.
Have you studied the play, the proposal?
No, sir.
I haven't studied about proposal. Any poetry section?
Sir, Amanda.
Amanda.
Yes.
Can you tell me about Rapunzel?
Sir, Rapunzel is a story of a queen that has long hair,
Yes.
and she kept on the tower, big tower.
What was the thinking of Amanda about the orphans?
He thinks dolphin that dolphins
Not I'm asking about orphan.
orphan.
Yes.
She thinks about orphan because she want to live without any.
Okay, you may continue.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Pin it in your collar. Short collar.
My name is Ayushi.
I was
Speak loudly. Yes.
I wish to introduce yourself in some lines to both of your teachers that we can ask some questions related to your chapters.
Sir, myself Ayushi. I read in class 10th of your school and I live in Chennur.
Okay, very well. I wish just you take by yourself. You can choose one poetic device in which you feel that no, it is very good and I can tell something about it. Anyone but
Assonance.
assonance. What do you understand?
Assonance is a poetic device which show the any of vowels sound produced in a word or a sentence.
Okay, very well. Now just you take the ball poem and in that there is given one word, epistemology. What is the meaning of this word?
So I didn't.
Okay, no problem. And which chapter recently you have read from both books?
On dust of snow.
Dust of Snow. Very well. Why the dust? What the poetic device of Dust of Snow is the title?
So I didn't.
Which two things are used by the author to indicate bad omen?
Which? Sir, repeat.
Things are used in the poem to indicate about bad, wrong things.
First is dust and second is crow.
First is,
Dust.
are you sure?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You are sure? You have, what is the difference between simile and metaphor?
Sir, I didn't know.
What is the literal meaning of fire and ice in the poem Fire Is?
Sir, fire is indicate the disaster.
Disaster?
Disaster, sir. सर आइस का बता सकते हैं
And ice?
एंड आइस पीसफुल पीस
Okay, you may. Thank you. Next content. Pin names in your collar.
What is your name, dear?
Sir, this is Divyanshu Goswami.
What is
Standard in this. Yes. Yes.
What is your name?
Sir, Divyanshu Goswami.
Divyanshu Goswami.
Yes, sir.
Divyanshu, you introduce yourself in some lines.
Sir, my name is Divyanshu Goswami. I am studying class 10 from Vigyanand Kendriya Vidyalaya, which is situated in Chennur, Siwan, Bihar. My strength is to justify myself, not among all the peoples. I believe that I am one of my person and does not copy anyone other.
Very good. Divyanshu, just you tell me which chapter you are more comfortable and you feel it is a very good chapter from both books.
Yes, sir. In the chapter First Light, a letter to God, and in the chapter Footprints Without Feet, the chapter of a triumph of surgery.
A letter to God, can you just parsing this word?
Sir?
Can you parsing this word, a letter to God?
Yes, sir. The letter to God is written by.
I'm not asking. Can you just parsing this word, a letter, what is the cast of what is the cast of letter, what is the cast of what is the cast of so like or is an article. Letter is just noun. It's like I'm just asking. Can you parse? No problem. Who wrote this chapter?
G.L. Fuentes.
From where this chapter has been taken? From where this story belongs from which country?
Sir, G.L. Fuentes is an American writer, but this story is taken by a European civilization, European country.
Okay. Why on Sunday? Lencho went to the post office. Sunday is off day.
Yes, sir. Sunday can be a holiday in many countries, but not in all countries. Sunday is a holiday. In Middle East, we see that the Friday is a holiday, and many other countries there are many other days which is as holidays.
One question, the police is investigating the case thoroughly. What is just wrong in this sentence? Second. The police is investigating the case thoroughly
To find the real cause.
to the fine to the hour. Complete. What is wrong? Okay, thank you, sir.
Christian, you have replied many questions
Yes, sir.
related to LLM. It means that you have studied it.
Yes, sir.
There is a question from this story. Two types of conflicts are discussed in this story. What are these two conflicts?
Sir, the first conflict that there can be when the Lencho has the full faith in the God, and he thinks that the God sent him fully 100 pesos, but he received only 70 pesos. That he can think that the employees of the post office has taken 30 pesos from the letter, and he thinks that are bunch of cooks, and he said they are bunch of cooks.
Can you tell me something about Russian marriage?
Sir,
Russian marriage.
Russian marriage? No, sir, I didn't know
You have not
anything.
studied about proposal.
No, sir.
ये तो शुरू में ही दिया है उसमें प्रपोजल में। यस कम इन।
We need
What is your name here?
This is Manish.
Manish Kumar. Manish, just to tell something about yourself in short. What were your teachers?
As I told, this is Manish, a diligent student of class 10C from
Yes.
Vigyananand Kendriya Vidyalaya.
ओके
That is situated in a remote village that is Chanaur Siwan,
ओके
and I belongs to Titra, that is just near the holy land Jiradei, from where our India's first president Dr. Rajendra Prasad ji belongs.
okay.
Okay, thank you, dear.
Yes, sir.
Manish, just you tell any two chapters along with the writer's names from Footprints Without Feet.
Yes, sir. As I think,
Any two chapters along the writers
I need to.
from
A
Footprints.
Triumph of Surgery, which is written by the famous writer G.L. Fuentes.
Real Footprints.
G.L. Fuentes.
Triumph of Surgery.
Yes.
Right?
No, sir. Sorry, sir. James Harriot. Yes, sir. And the next one is the second one is
Holy.
sir, but sorry, sir.
Okay, no problem. Manish, just you tell why the footprint, the title of this book has been given.
So this title has been given because the book includes the chapter Footprints Without Feet, that is a scientist.
Can you tell something about this chapter? In full?
Sorry, sir, but I am reminding, but I will try to read it, sir.
Okay, no problem. Now so there is one question, just you can see it is in the chapter. Fifth number question, what is wrong this sentence? The novel which I just borrowed from the library is
The novel which I borrowed from the library, is more interesting. Sir, is This is in.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Have you studied any poetry section?
Yes, sir. The Dust of Snow, which is written by the famous American poet.
Illustrate the title of the poem, Fire and Ice.
This is a contrasting poem and a symbolic poem where fire symbolizes the desire and the ice symbolizes hatred of human beings.
The old man said, Alas, I have lost my son. In the right. Change into indirect speech.
Sir, can you repeat it?
The old man said, Alas, I have lost my son. In the right.
Yes, sir. The old man exclaimed with sorrow that he had lost his son.
Son. He had lost.
His son.
Okay. You may go.
Thank you, sir.
What is your name, dear?
Sir, my name is Manish Kumar Yadav.
Manish Kumar Yadav. Manish, say something about yourself.
My name is Manish Kumar Yadav.
Yes.
I read in class 10C.
Speak loudly.
My name is Manish Kumar Yadav.
Yes.
I read in class 10C.
Thank you, Manish. Manish, just to say in which chapter you are more comfortable, I can ask from there.
The tribe of surgery.
A triumph of surgery. What is the meaning of triumph? Can you tell any synonym of this word?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell a synonym of this word, a triumph? And why the title of the chapter that has been given in this chapter, a triumph of surgery? Why it has been given? Okay, no problem. Sir.
State. Have you studied any poetry? Poem? I want to study any poem.
Poetic devices are in us.
Yes. What is the difference between apostrophe and personification? What is indirect speech?
Indirect speech.
To whom Lancho called bunch of crooks? Can you tell me something about Russian marriage? Have you heard this word anytime? Russian marriage के बारे में आपने कभी सुना?
Yes.
Where? You may go. Thank you.
कर दिया जाता है ग्रुप का पेरेंट्स भी तो देखे लो क्या करेंगे बोल रहे हैं।
Yes, come in please.
पॉज करते जा रहे हैं।
Yes. Pin it in your collar. Short collar. Yes.
What is the name of dear?
My name is Muhammad Rehan.
Muhammad Rehan.
Yes.
Rehan, tell something about yourself.
My name is Muhammad Rehan. I read in class 10th from Vigyanand Kendriya Vidyalay, Chanaur, Siwan.
Rehan, from which chapter I can ask some questions in that chapter if you feel more comfortable?
The thief's story.
The thief's story, very well. Tell all characters of the chapter.
Ruskin Bond.
I am asking all characters of the chapter, not writer am asking.
Sorry, sir.
Character's name.
Anil.
Yes.
What is the role in the chapter of Anil? What is the age of Anil?
15. 15.
15. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Which chapter have you studied well, in which you are feeling comfort to reply? Who was think tank? Who was think tank? Have you studied the ball poem? Etymology of loss. Can you describe it? This word in the poem. Okay.
Okay, then.
Pin it in your account.
What is your name, dear?
My name is Saqib Ansari.
Saqib Ansari. Introduce in some lines about yourself.
My name is Saqib Ansari from study from class 10th C from Viganan Kendriya Vidyalaya, Chanar Bihar Siwan. My hobby is cricket.
Okay, very well. And which time, first time India won the World Cup in cricket? Because it is your hobby, that's I'm asking.
1990.
1990. Are you sure?
1983.
Okay, no problem, Saqib. Saqib, just you say in which chapter you are a little comfortable. From that I can ask the board teachers. Some can ask. Which chapter you are?
A letter to God.
A letter to God. Who wrote this chapter, Saqib?
G.L. Fintus.
G.L. Fintus. From where he belongs?
America.
Okay, no problem. And when Lenchu's wife was cooking, at the same time, at the moment of that, what his sons were doing?
Doing Lenso farming.
I'm asking what the sons of Lenchu were doing at the moment when his wife was cooking food at the same time. At the moment.
Happy Lenso happy con.
Okay, thank you.
You have just told that your hobby is to play cricket. It means that you have interest. You are interested in cricket.
Oh yes.
You have to tell the name of the player who has a record of highest personal score in test match in an inning.
Virat Kohli. Brian Lara.
No. But you have copied the answer from that one. That is not a good habit. Have you studied any poem? Brian Lara was right answer, but you replied it when someone helped you. That is not a good habit. You haven't studied any poem?
Yes.
What is optative sentence? What is narration?
Narration.
Okay, you may go. Put that mic here. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. Shut the door. Open it in your collar.
What is your name, dear?
Hi sir, my name is Nihal Ansari.
Nihal Ansari. Nihal, just you say something about yourself that I can know something about you.
Sir, I read in class 10th from Vigyanand Kendra Vidyalaya, Chanaur Siwan Bihar.
From Vikanand Kendriya Vidyalaya or
In Vigyanand Kendra Vidyalaya.
Nihal, just you tell the writer of. There are two chapters, it has been divided into. Just you have to tell anyone. There are two stories about flying to two stories. This is divided into two parts. So who is the writer of his first flight and a black plane?
First flight.
Oh, no problem. You tell a little, something 2 and 3, 4 lines about a black plane.
Black aeroplane.
Black.
What was the name of the plane?
Name of the plane, flight of Fox and
Okay, no problem. Now just tell what was the born and this born day of Anne Frank.
One day of Anne Frank.
Anne Frank. This is giving you chapter first number.
First number.
What is the name of diary which she gave in the chapter?
The diary of Anne Frank.
She just called as a friend and the name she gave, the name of the diary, that name is given in the chapter. What is the name of that? Okay, sir.
Just to
Okay,
stay.
then.
Who took Mandela to the podium?
Who took Mandela to the podium?
Who was Jenani?
Jenani.
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 Annie liked a boy. She had also interest in a boy.
Any
But
light?
she never came close to that boy. What was the reason? Right, sir? Barry of Anne Frank.
Okay, no problem.